Not every journey is captured in photos. Some are carved into you. Before the adventure begins, start with a connection that trusts you as much as you trust yourself. Ignition, engine on, go. Your first step, always ready. From mountain peaks to the world's shores, from bustling cities to the silence of nature. Live it without waiting for a signal, and without telling your group, just a minute. Limits? We don't know them. Coverage that reaches the world in seconds. Your precious moments with the people who matter. It's not just an eSIM. It's the spirit of adventure, uninterrupted. HlaSim.com activates in seconds and covers the world.